Today I want to do something different. So I'm finishing up the last episode of Eli's Mind for this season. For the next month, I decided to do something called Beatmas. Kind of like vlogmas, but it's beats. I might do songs, reference tracks. We'll see how it goes. But I want to do something different. I'm going to make a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday up until Christmas. Stay tuned. Beatmas, day one. But this sounds like Rick Ross, kind of. I don't know, kind of just. I always just kind of like let the however I'm feeling kind of flow, and then we'll see where it takes me. No, I do want to go with the R&B way. Quantize, bring them all up, and then I'll save the MIDI, and then I'll freeze the actual track just to save up CPU, especially when recording through the screen or screen recording. The way I said it sounded so, I don't even know, it sounded somewhat type of way. This is a new little effect rack I put together. Coming soon. textures right here. Super cool plugin. I really like Spitfire Audio Labs. Spitfire Audio in general has a lot of crazy stuff. So if you ever have a chance, it's all free. Spitfire Audio Labs. I'll link it down below. Just to make it sound shifter pitch with the stereo one on there. And we're gonna jump this in, we're gonna put it up an octave in the background so that when you hear it, it adds a little flavor to it. Yeah, use this right here. Drop that kick in there, tail it off a little bit.